Hey, I'm Michael with Carmedix, and today I'm going to walk you through the process of what we do when you bring your car in for an oil change. First, we'll grab a seat cover and a floor mat to protect your interior from getting dirty. Then we'll pull your vehicle into the shop, set the lift, pop the hood, and do a general check over underneath the hood. After that, we'll raise the vehicle and begin the process of draining your old oil out. Do our DVI, which is a digital video inspection, which is emailed directly to the customer and lets you know everything that's going on with the vehicle. Once that's complete, we'll replace your oil filter, lower the vehicle, and finish up the oil change. Thank you for choosing Carmedix.